right now. It just went out. And you can hear the sound, and you'll hear the high-pitched whine when it comes back on. So listen, I'm going to turn the volume off. Or down.
So I put the actors with real United States steels.
This is the TV that Circuit City's been out to fix 3 times. Here it comes. There it goes. And it'll be on for a while, and then it's going to cut out again. See? It's doing it. This is what it's friggin' been doing. Circuit City's been out here 3 times. They've replaced the lamp unit, the color wheel, and the latest repair was the friggin' digital board, and they still can't get it right. And it cycles on and off right in the middle of a flippin' Gator game. And that's what it's doing.